Hey, good Tuesday morning, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage and Workshop. Colder than heck out there with the wind blowing. So I decided to work on my gas cans today. And what I got are some of these Harbor Freight fuel cans, which I like the cans, but the problem is they're not vented. So earlier I took a 1/4-inch plug I ordered off Amazon and put it in there, because when I first opened this gas can up, when I first tried them, that freaking gas come flying up like 2 feet out of there because there's no vent. So that's not a good thing. I like the cans, but they should have put a vent in them. Where they did put a vent was in this filler thing, so if you tip it too far, gas comes out or fuel comes out. So what we're going to put in should solve both of these problems. So I got some of these nice brass vents off of Amazon. They come with a fish wire and a drill bit, and we're going to do all my cans eventually. Some are full, but when we're done, I should be able to take some of that rubber mastic tape and seal these nozzles off, so I don't got to worry about it leaking there. And these also don't have anything that holds this gasket in, so I ordered some Loctite rubber to metal adhesive, and I'm going to do a bunch of these, so I got some handy to go. But I already did 4 cans. They actually go in pretty nice, but I'll kind of show you as I go along. Okay, so what I did on the other ones, I drilled them here. Might be a little easier to do it here, but I did them here, so it gave me a better angle to shoot this fish wire across there, because you just bend it, you get it right in there, it comes right out, and then you'll put your fitting on and fish it through. Okay, once you get your bend right, that'll fish right up through that big hole after you get your hole drilled. And like I said before, they do include a drill bit and a wrench, 12mm wrench. But I put it up through, leave your one gasket on the bottom, and then I bend a 90 in the end with my lineman pliers, and then you just fish it through here. Okay, when you get up there, then you slide all your pieces on. You got another O-ring, you got your washer that goes on top of the O-ring, you got your cap, and then you got your nut that tightens it all down. Okay, we got her tightened down. Next thing we do is we push this wire back in. If you didn't mess up your bend, you practice, it's not too bad to do. You'll take that back out, and even comes with the little lawyer stickers for people that don't know why they just put these things in. But I like them. I mean, I think I got a dozen of them for like 15 bucks, and the cap on it is actually pretty good. You know, it's got a sealed cap, so all you gotta do is tighten it down. But when you store it, if you just pop it a little bit, you ain't gotta worry about these things swelling up on you. Like I say, that one got me pretty good. I'm like, what the heck is this kind of deal? But these are nice cans. Sometimes you can catch them on sale for like 46 bucks for a pair of them. So alright, that's it, folks. Have a nice day. Oh, just an addition on the end of this, folks. I misspoke. I got these from Vevor. These are not Harbor Freight cans. I got them from Vevor, so I apologize for that mistake.